Okay.
Yes.
I want to say my career path story.
Yes.
Yeah. When I work in agency, um
Yes.
in that time I was
At that
a
time.
sen at that
Yes.
time I
Yes.
was a senior communications consultant
Mm-hmm.
in top
Good.
agency in Hanoi.
Mm-hmm.
And I was also feeling happy with the environment and
Mm-hmm.
happy with my boss. But
Yes.
my company
Yes.
change direction
Oh, yes.
from the external communication to internal communication. But I
Oh.
don't want to focus in internal communication. So
Mm-hmm.
I I make a tough decision that
Yes.
I will leaving. I will
Oh.
leave.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I will leave. And when I leave this that
Left.
agency, I also have
Left.
other. I left
Mm-hmm.
I left agency. I have
Yes.
another um
Offer.
offer
Mm-hmm.
from a dozy,
Oh. Oh.
a corporate in
Yes.
Hanoi.
Mm-hmm.
And in the first time I worked as a brand executive in corporate, it
Yeah.
was a difficult and uncertainty time.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know the exactly
Mm-hmm.
uh what I need to improve.
Yes.
And I also feel burnt out sometimes
Okay. Good.
because because I need to learn new things for
Mm-hmm.
the client side. But
Yes.
after that
Mm-hmm.
I own many lessons to
Oh.
grow.
Oh.
And
Good.
I and I can grow from the
Mm-hmm.
senior brand executive
Mm-hmm.
to brand manager, and now I am a director of brand. And
Yes.
I think it's a um, a long time to
Mm-hmm.
grow, but the
Yes.
first we need to play and chase the opportunity that
Yes.
gives you more chance to
Mm-hmm.
grow.
Yes. Okay, that's great. So you learn a lot after that, right?
Yeah.
And